In this video, I'll show you how to fix your iPhone not showing up in iTunes. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like. And let's get right into this guide. Just before I go and show you the fixes, I want to show you how things should work when you go and connect your iPhone to iTunes. So what you should do is go and plug your iPhone into iTunes. You should then go and get a pop-up on your phone saying, do you want to go and trust this computer? And you need to go and tap on trust. After you've tapped on trust, the phone icon should then appear in the top left of iTunes. You can go and tap on it, and then you can go and tap on it again, and you should then go and see all the information about your phone. Now, if this process isn't working for you, then I'm going to go and run through a load of different fixes you can try to get it working. Let's get into this. The first thing you should check is the cable which is connecting your phone to your computer. If you've got like an old cable, it's likely that it may have frayed, and even though it still charges your device, it may not completely transfer information, which is why it's not popping up in iTunes. So if possible, try another power cord, because this is quite a common reason why it isn't working. The next thing I recommend doing is restarting your iPhone. Sometimes your iPhone may be playing up and that's why it's not popping up in iTunes. So to go and restart it, all you need to do is go and make sure your phone is unlocked and just on the home screen, go and tap the increase volume button, then the decrease, and hold the power button. You need to do that all quite consecutively and hold the power button until it goes black and you see the Apple logo, and then let go. If you keep holding it, it's going to go and put it into recovery mode. So let go as soon as it goes black or you see the Apple logo. Then once it's restarted, try plugging it in and then see if it works. If it still isn't working, what we need to do is go and open up our Windows Device Manager. To do that, go to the bottom of Windows and go and look for the Windows Start button just here and go and right click on it. And then what you need to do is tap on Device Manager, or you can go and search for it. So open it up like this. I'm then going to go and zoom in on this for you guys. You need to go and locate portable devices, which is just here, and you can then go and expand it. And as you can see, I've then got my Apple iPhone appearing in here. If it isn't appearing in here, then it's likely your connection to your computer isn't working. The fact that it's appearing in here is a good sign. However, you may find your iPhone in another category. So if it isn't in portable devices, it may be under like another one. So maybe go and expand them all and look for them. But once you found it, what you can then do is right click on it like this. And what you want to do is tap on uninstall device, press yes, and it's then going to go and uninstall it. And then after you've uninstalled it, you want to go and disconnect your phone from your computer, and then your device manager will refresh, and then plug it back in again like so. And then your device manager should then go and refresh again. Your device manager will then go and reinstall it. So you should then go and probably restart iTunes actually, and then go and see if it's appearing. If you find your iPhone still isn't appearing in iTunes, one fix I did kind of a few months back was actually my iPhone wasn't appearing because I wasn't going and getting that pop-up about trusting my computer on my iPhone. If you aren't getting that pop-up, then what you need to do is open up your settings like so, and then tap into General and scroll to the bottom of General until you see the option for transfer or reset iPhone, and then go and tap on reset in here, and then go and tap on reset location and privacy settings. This is going to reset all of them. And then after you've gone and reset that, then what you need to do is re-plug your phone back into your computer, and that should then trigger the trust pop-up to appear on your phone. You can then tap on trust, and then hopefully you can go and see your iPhone in the top left of iTunes, and you can go and click on it again, and then go and see your device information. If that still isn't working, then the next thing I would try is restarting your computer. To do that, just come to the bottom, tap on the Windows Start button, and you can then tap on the power button and go and restart it. So there we go guys, I hope one of these methods did work for you. If they did, please go down below and consider leaving a like. Peace.